Hi, this is Pete at JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim, Washington, and this is our 1994 Nissan Atlas 4x4 1.5 ton lifted work truck with a 10-foot bed. It's got the 2.7 gear-to-gear drive turbo diesel. It goes on the highway at respectable speeds. It's not slow. The 10-foot bed is very useful. It's a flatbed with sides that fold down for easy access from every side. We just put brand new Toyo open country all-terrain tires on it and did a 2-inch lift. And it's in great shape. It is ready to work. So if you need a truck for work, home, or anything, this could be it. Good, reliable, mechanical diesel. No electronics, just good old torque and an injection pump and none of that modern crap. Come on down to JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim on 87 Drake Road, 4 miles west of Sequim.